Here we are at the Holiday Inn Express in Walnut Creek, California. Let me give you a tour of my room. This is the basic king room. So let's see what we've got. Shelves. We've got a Keurig with coffee. And it looks like there's some tea, just 2 tea bags. What else? Got a little microwave and a little fridge that's empty. Let's see, what does the closet? Oh, we got an ironing board. Big safe down there. And there's the TV and a luggage rack with some drawers. Oh, the TV pivots, which is nice. Okay. We got a desk and a cool little desk lamp with some plugs. And we got the window at our view. We got a courtyard view of the pool, so it's not too bad. Okay, and then nice little chase lounge with a table. I love these tables where you can move it around and sit there with your computer or your food or whatever. Okay, 2 bedside tables, king size bed. I love it how the Holiday Inns have these labels on the pillows. They give you like soft, and then there's a firm pillow. Okay, and then the bathroom. Check that out. Oops, there's the light. Okay, so we got soap and body lotion, makeup remover, shower cap. Looks nice and clean. Fancy fold of the toilet paper and a bathtub shower. Here's something it took me a little while to realize. There are these cool lights, and to turn them on, this one is by the bedside table. So that's how you turn that one on. And then there's also one above the closet. And the switch for that is right here. So those lights actually made it pretty nice at night, like for watching TV or whatever. I'd point that out since it took me a little bit.
And the apartments for free, and then shops were even better than the center. They wanted to show people.
It's the life of leisure here at the Holiday Inn Express.